Hello there! This is a small feature showcase video of my GoHangman application in its current beta stage, which you can see running in the bottom right corner. With it, you can play the Hangman game with your Twitch chat in your livestream. As you can see, the chat already guessed a couple letters here. Let's guess another one so you can see how that looks. So I will guess the R here. Perfect, that was correct, and the R appeared in its place. And now let's also try to guess the K next. And that was sadly incorrect, so the Hangman part built itself further, and the K also appeared on there. So this is how the application looks if you play the word guessing game. You can also switch it to just build the Hangman. But for this, we need to use the settings page. Let's have a look at it. You have to right click on the game itself and then press on settings. In this first tab, you can change every color appearing on screen. So we could, for example, move this to a darker gray and this to also a more darker yellow. Now if we have a look at it, the background definitely got darker and the yellow letters as well. This is great if you want to, for example, chroma key out the background and make sure no other colors are affected by that. And what we also can have a look at is the preview full game, which enables us to resize this application bar perfectly without cutting anything away, because we know how it would look like if everything would be in there. So let's have a look at the next tab, which will be the Hangman one. In here you can change how you play the game itself. So if you're more of a minimalistic type, or you don't trust your Twitch chat to actually guess words, you can change the game mode to just building the Hangman. And then you just build the Hangman. There he is. You can change the amount of guesses you need to build the Hangman or to you get to guess the word correctly. And you can also disable showing, for example, the guessed letters on screen. So now won't appear up there anymore. What you can also do is punish people who cannot read and guess something which has already been on screen. Otherwise, they get another free guess. Then there is the Words tab, in which you can, for example, reset the use status for all words which has already appeared on screen, as well as set random words to append if yours have been guessed. If you want to fill up your own words, you can write down peach and apple, for example, and those are appended to your current word list. And you can change the current word, or have a look at it if you want to help your chat guess. In the Chat Commands tab, you can enable a lot of additional commands if you feel like it. For example, you can let the bot explain itself, or tell people about the correctly guessed letters. The application also shows a hint that it makes sense to enable this command now, otherwise it will be pretty hard for the chat to guess the correct word if they can neither see them on screen nor ask the bot about them. We can change this to anything we like. So we could also make it to maybe question mark correct, for example, if you are more into question marks than exclamation points, or maybe you just type wrong, which will probably not interfere with normal chat messages at all. In the guess costs tab, you can change the costs for a guess. So maybe people have to cheer for your stream for 10 bits to get one guess, or if they cheer 10 bits, they get guesses instantly and otherwise have to wait 100 seconds. And you can also disable these limits for yourself or maybe your moderators if you want to. And this is it for this application. I hope you want to use it in your stream. The download link is in the description. And otherwise, I wish you a lovely day.